Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Today's adventure starts right here in Claremore, Oklahoma at the Belvidere Mansion.
And the Pink House.
And the Pink House, which is the restaurant that's inside.
We're about to go get some lunch.
Oh yeah, let's go adventuring! The Belvidere Mansion is located at the corner of 4th and Chickasaw in Claremore, Oklahoma. Construction started in March of 1907 and was completed by Christmas that same year. The home was created for John Melville Bayliss and his family. Unfortunately, John died a few months after construction on the mansion began. The family lived here until the 1920s. In the 20s, it was sold and converted into 12 apartments, and by the late 1980s, the house was in rough shape and left deserted. In the 90s, the Rogers County Historical Society purchased the property, and there have been numerous efforts to restore it to what it is today.
So today we are at the Belvidere Mansion, and inside the Belvidere Mansion is the Pink House, which is their restaurant in here, and you can get lunch, tea, and it also has like a little gift shop in here too. So we are going to order some lunch and enjoy every bit of it. We got the ham and cheese quiche with a side salad, and there's fruit on this as well. And I got a slice of banana bread, and then Sawyer got the deal of the day, which is a sandwich on sourdough that they made here, and some chips, pickle spear, and a salad.
After eating our delicious meals, we headed to the second floor to check out the bedrooms. One of the most unique features of the house is this skylight passage that was the idea of John's wife, Mary Melissa. It pulls air from the roof all the way down through all 3 levels of the house. The second story has 6 bedrooms. 3 of those we were able to go into, and one of them also contains a bathroom which had indoor plumbing. It was quite the feature for its time. Every room has one of these windows above the doorway.
It's to allow cool air to come in and out during the hot months.
And this was the nursery. There are various items from the Bayliss family on display. This crocheted outfit was made around 80 years ago and is in fantastic shape. Can you imagine what it would have been like to live in this mansion way back in the early 1900s?
This place is definitely a sight to see if you like renovated architecture or just early 1900s architecture. This is a really cool replica of this house, but like they have awesome vintage furniture, and it just feels very magical in here. Like, how often do you see that in a house anymore? I feel like you don't. Or like, they just added touches like old photos and old lamps, and this is a working bathroom, so I'm not going to go in there, but there is a bathroom in this room, and I feel like maybe that wasn't super common back in the day.
Check out the scale.
Check out the scale, Sawyer says, way up there where he can see things. Sawyer's going to show you. Yeah.
I mean, that thing is legit.
It is legit. You guys know Sawyer is super tall, so he can see things that most short people like me can't. But this little alcove, it's like, I mean, I can't tell in the video. Oh, I guess you can see up here. That's a circle, but This is where they have the bed placed. Looks like they have a picture over here. Let's go look at it. Like, how cool is that? Anyway, we're having a lovely time here at the Belvidere Mansion. Definitely recommend that you come and see this place and get some lunch at the Pink House downstairs because it was so good. Anyway, they have an original dress of the matriarch that lived in this home right here. And then they have, like, if you look down here, you can see the floors have like you can see. Let's find here. Check this floor out. You don't see that anymore. You definitely don't see that anymore. And that's so cool. Anyway, there's a lot of character to this place, don't you think?
Yep, and Will Rogers was here.
Oh, wait, look at, like, this is a huge panoramic picture on the wall. And
well, not here in this building in Claremore.
There's Will Rogers right there.
Right there.
In this big, huge picture.
And everyone in town came to see him in 1927.
Yeah, because on this picture, 1927. And then down here, it shows all the people that they've been able to identify who are in this photo. And then this picture up here is another panoramic of Claremore, March 26, 1906. So that was even before this mansion was built, because they began building in 1907. So pretty neat place, guys. You should definitely come and see it if you are in this area.
Another unique feature of the Belvidere Mansion is that you can rent out the third story for a private event. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Belvidere Mansion in Claremore, Oklahoma.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our content, please like and subscribe.
We'll see you on our next adventure!